Welcome to another episode of the Masters of Movement. We're Power Athlete, and we're going to take you through how to train your adductors. Now, if you want to have a nice, thick-looking quad, the adductors are key to it, and they're also important if you want to blow out your jeans with a lot of friction and rub. So, Chris, how do you differentiate between the difference between adduction and abduction?
Adduction, I'm adding to my body. AB away.
Really? This whole time I've been thinking about adduction as pulling towards your dong, almost like you're ringing a bell, like dong, dong, or your dick. And then abduction was you're going away from your booty or your butt. Wow, look at that. Two different opinions. So the first one I'm going to take you through is what's known as our bench adduction. So Chris is going to be up in that good straight plank position, side pillar position. He's going to start with his foot on the ground. If you notice, he's got an isometric hold with the top one, and he's going to squeeze and pull that bottom leg all the way to the bottom of the bench. Now, big focus, if you notice, he's showing a great position here. He's nice hands, nice and splayed, and he's pulling it. You don't need a ton of reps here, so we usually program anywhere from 4 to 8 reps, and at which point we're going to switch him over. He's going to do the other side. Now, if you don't have access or you aren't able to do it, you can also use a band or a pulley. Set up, a little handle to help you. He's going to stand up on this. Now he's going to get enough weight on this from the cable, and he's going to work on straight leg, toe up, pulling across his body as far as he can. Now you might not be able to get very far. You don't have to use a ton of weight, but all I want you to do is focus on really pulling towards you and really hitting that adductor. Dong. Now it makes sense to you, doesn't it? I'm glad I had to teach you that today. So those are our two movements. That's bench adduction and then adduction done on the pulley. So you want to have a big, thick leg, you got to train your adductors. You want to make sure you blow out your jeans, get a lot of rub and maybe a lot of friction if you got to start a forest fire. Hey, if you want to apply this movement to its maximal potential, check out our training programs at powerathletehq.com/training. And if you're interested in more mind-melting information, you can check out our podcast at Power Athlete Radio. See ya.